Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add payment method on Panda. But you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to add the payment method on Panda, you need to simply log into your Panda account from your app. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store. So if you have already installed, that's good. Simply open Panda app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Panda. Now you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the various offers, Panda Pro and all on the upper taskbar. Now you need to click on the profile icon which is at the very bottom right of the page, and here you will see the option like orders, favorite, payment and address. Now you need to click on the option of payment, and here you will see the payment method which you have added. So from there you need to click on the option of add payment method. So I have not kept anything on my payment method for now. So if you have kept there, you will see the option of add payment method. So click on it. So after that you may select the option of credit card, debit card or e-wallets if it is available in your country or not. So you may also choose the option of cash and delivery. So after entering all of this, you need to enter the required details like card number, expiration date, CVV of the cards and all. And after that you need to save the payment methods on it. So after saving all of it, you will be able to change the payment method on Panda. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.